Hong Kong's Catholic bishop said he has not held any discussions with mainland officials on the relationship between Beijing and the Vatican. Stephen Chow, who's in the capital, was given a warm welcome as he visited churches. A visit to the Church of the Savior in Beijing was the first stop of a Hong Kong Catholic delegation on the fourth day of their tour of the capital. Bishop Stephen Chow, accompanied by Auxiliary Bishop Joseph Ha and a Hong Kong priest Peter Choi, joined their mainland peers to celebrate Mass. They later went to the Church of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, where they were welcomed by some parishioners. Chow's 5-day visit is his first to Beijing since becoming bishop over a year ago. The group held several meetings in the capital, said the bishop, who's the first Hong Kong Catholic leader to travel to the mainland since the handover. Chow said he wishes to have more interaction and cooperation with the Beijing diocese, adding that his hosts encouraged him to visit other parishes on the mainland. This mainland Catholic said he went to church today to meet Hong Kong's bishop. He said Chow was very friendly and hoped there would be closer ties between mainland and Hong Kong Catholics. The visit takes place 2 weeks after the Vatican accused Beijing of violating an agreement by appointing a bishop in Shanghai without the Pope's approval. Chow said his discussions with mainland officials did not include Beijing's relationship with the Vatican.